It's very important for users to come and test and see the solutions live.
And it's set up for education, for promotion of solutions and technologies.
You can actually get everything that you need to know in a working condition, in a real-world environment.
The changeover of technology is so fast that is an eye candy, is an ear candy for any student that would come here, that they can experience an Atmos Dolby in the Studio B. Those are things that they motivate and they build confidence.
It's amazing because there are multiple rooms, multiple solutions. We can always scale up, descale, and show our solutions.
It's important for customers and partners to also see the hardware because you really do experience it from seeing and believing and touching it.
So to create this experience is fundamental. I was very happy, and I think it's an excellent place where we can take end users, we can take interior designers, we can take architects, and we can provide this experience which is needed.
They have a huge portfolio of other products that we can communicate with and integrate with. I would say also this integration is massive.
NMK has really raised the standards of the AV industry for sure.
It was a no-brainer building a showroom like this because it attached to all the different elements in our global strategy of UC within Midwich Group.